Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Vaginal epithelium. Vaginal lining. Vagina is lined by non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, but in newborn females, it is lined by transitional epithelium. Types of cells in vaginal epithelium. In the vaginal epithelium, we have superficial cells, intermediate cells, basal or parabasal cells. Superficial cells are mature and have glycogen. Superficial cells will predominate in estrogen mainly. Intermediate cells will predominate in progesterone predominance. Basal cells or parabasal cells. Basal cells or parabasal cells will predominate when there is no hormonal predominance.
thank you and thank you for watching.